Good evening, it's Shy here from the House of Shayaa. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching this video photo gallery of myself, my daughter, the salon, my clients, because without my clients I wouldn't be doing this video. And thank you to all my clients who have supported us over the years since we first opened the doors. I mean, I have been officially doing locks since 2006. I opened my salon in 2007. At that time we were called Naturals at Ivindi. Yes, all these years ago. It's gone so quick. I mean, I just cannot believe we're now in 2026. So welcome, guys, welcome to 2026, another solar return for us and the planet as we know it. That's 2026, the year of the horse. The year, or is it the wooden horse? But yes, welcome. I want to say a big thank you to all my viewers. We've got some new subscribers. We've made it to 1K subscribers. We literally did that just before Christmas, or maybe just after Christmas, but literally finally made it. We've been on the road to 1K for a hot minute. We're not always consistent around here with posting, but I'm here now and we are posting. And my recent videos, I've been breaking them down into shorts as well. So we've got the photo gallery and we've got the shorts. So yeah, what you're gonna see now coming up is a few mini series. So we're gonna be going into hair a bit more, into the scalp, into products, how to take care of your hair, styling your hair, routines, lock routines. We're gonna be breaking it all down, and that's gonna be a bit more me face to face. We'll even get the whiteboard out and we'll do a little bit of a lesson time at the Shayaa school. So yeah, we're gonna start really getting in this year into teaching a bit more. It will help, and definitely making sure we're looking after our hair, and not just our hair, ourselves. So we're going to get into holistic hair, holistic well-being, just looking after yourself and taking care of your hair. And we're also going to be getting into business, so people who's interested in business, running their own salon or their own hair locking business. We're going to be getting into that, and marketing, everything. It's going to be a great year, a really good year. We're going to knuckle down and get into it. But yeah, now we're on 2026. I mean, I had my first child in 1996. My brother was also born in 96. My middle son came in 98. Then I had my youngest son in 2006. And now we're in 2026, the year that the House of Shayaa, even though it's changed names a few times, it's been, like I said in the beginning, Naturals at Ivindi. And then it's also been just Shayaa. And now it's the House of Shayaa. So it's a transition over time. So yeah, it's our 19th year. It's been great. I've met so many people. I've started a lot of locks over the time, styled, maintained, and made plenty of products that I sell to my clients. And we've also got them in a couple of stores locally. Our lock products and skincare products can be bought online. They are natural. We do have some that we call naughty. They've got a little bit of a fragrance in. Only 2 of them, I think. The rest of them are completely plant-based. But yes, man, it's been great, and I'm so glad you're here. We have got 12 minutes and 20 seconds worth of imagery. Now, I have even more than this. You can imagine. These pictures you're seeing now, they're just scattered throughout the 18 years, but I have more. These are the more, I would say, more recent images. I have even older that are stored away, so I will bring them up and just share. I mean, some of the styles you can see are in fashion now, which we were doing 20 years ago, probably even more than that. They just make the circulations, don't they? They go around and around and around, so they come back. Everything has its time and it does its cycle and comes back round. But I love looking back at these pictures. What's good is we've got this really nice music in the background, so I will stop talking in a minute because I've been talking now for nearly 6 minutes, so you can just enjoy the sound and look at the imagery, or even just listen to the sounds if you want, you know. But yeah, I just thought I'd just pop on here to say thank you for being here. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe. We have been running this business now for 19 years, and we'll probably continue for another 19. We have so many videos on this channel. Please do go through them, have a look. There's over 1,000 on here. I'm telling you, there's a lot, because we've been here a hot minute. And there's even videos I haven't uploaded that well, they are uploaded, sorry, but they're unlisted or they're private. They're just not out there yet. But yeah, take a look. And this is all the people that we've had the honor of looking after over the years. So yeah, enjoy. You'll also see, like this one, lock detoxes. We do lock detoxes. I'm telling you, your head feels light by the time that's done. Light. But yeah, enjoy the pics. There's many different ones. There's starter locks, there's lock maintenance, lock styles, 2-strand twist, there's natural hair, there's natural hair blowouts, there's cornrows, there's extensions, there's some black rinses or purple rinses. There's all sorts going on in here. Just take a look. If you want a proper description of each, once I've gone through all the shorts, I will put little descriptions of what they are in there, because this is so long. It really is long. But yeah, enjoy. Thank you for being here. I'm gonna go and let you enjoy the music, and I'll see you in the next video. You've made it this far. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like and share, and come back again. Make sure you look out for us in the freaking notifications. Thanks a million. The House of Shayaa. Thanks for watching. Bye.